Okay, group is ready. Who's coming in 3, 2, 1.
The Apex Vanguard's weaponized digestive system can launch acidic gel up to 100 meters. It doesn't matter how fast they are if there's nowhere left to run. It may seem like these challengers have managed to meaningfully injure the Apex Vanguard, but nothing could be further from the truth. We call this groundbreaking innovation photogenesis. Its efficacy is profound.
Okay,
Even heavy
I can
artillery
DPS here.
fire can't keep
It's a
pace
happy
with
place.
this regenerative power.
You need to kill the lights immediately. Destroy the central power transformer, then pull out the backup
Gosh,
battery.
rip my stacks. Okay.
And Brad.
While nearly immortal in the light, the Apex Vanguard is truly lethal at night.
Oh, great! Nara, we need a neutralizer.
Every second the creature spends in darkness enhances its strength and lethality, thanks to our patented darkness overdrive engine system.
The chamber's sealed. The only things in there are... wait. Maybe you could use the backup battery to run the equipment.
Ground team, do you copy? Move the battery to the neutralizer station as soon as possible.
Healing us. Be careful. Did you see that they removed the timers of many operations
Yeah, for now.
until they fix it?
What timers?
The Indian
Almost all of them,
Tired of throwing the
except
kitchen sink
DP
at Jedi
and
only to have him
Gods.
throw it right
I
back?
think
Get the
is
battery
the
to
only
the air
exception.
filtration system now.
Yeah, I heard there's a bad bug with it.
I hear about the bug. They told me on Tulag. What is it?
What's
Did you guys hear the EV KP one?
Not only that one, it's even
Mm.
worse. Apparently, you
Oh,
could
really?
run in story mode operations all the way to the end boss and have all the time for the end boss. Pretty much. For example, in Isaacs, people were
Yeah.
having like, I don't know, 60 minutes.
Uh,
That's
Wow.
pretty bad. And the issue that the people already got like their titles and achievements is like,
why would you risk it? Why would you risk getting banned over that?
Brad.
I hope they get banned, to be honest. Fuck them.
Sick of frantically chasing down elusive
Maybe it
targets?
was just
I only got a
fewer-
3-day ban when I did that
That's
once.
why every Apex Vanguard comes equipped with state-of-the-art, multi-target
Bad ballsy.
guided missile batteries.
Long time ago.
Disrupt the pulse will break that target lock, but it will completely drain
I get the
battery.
curiosity factor,
Recharge it
for
with
sure.
a
People
Yeah.
like, wait, for real?
What, you can do story mode and get name achievements? What?
Get timers by the sounds of it.
Timers. You
Can keep
could,
it-
not anymore.
Yeah, I was gonna say they've disabled it till they.
No
Oh, I didn't grab
satisfaction anymore.
stims. Wow, I'm griefing.
You didn't? No. I can steam you for the poll if you don't have, because I just grabbed mine. I assume that it was my turn. Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm just gonna take what I need to do a lap with the vaults. That'll be fine.
Okay.
3 seconds.
I
That's
can
my
steam you
fault.
afterwards if you have, if you
A
want.
large group of hardened
Well-
targets? No problem.
Like in the worst case
This
scenario, I
Apex
can steam
Vanguard
you.
is equipped with our signature
Rip my
Apex
transcendence, I
Launchpad.
guess.
This latest model
Yep.
I
charges
just
in
DPS
record
first
time
here.
and deploys a defensive blinding mist, making it virtually impossible
man,
for
what's
attackers
first?
to interfere.
Apex. Why do you be funny sometimes? Oh god, let me give you a cooldown.
Yeah, that's much better for those four. There is perfect. The other ones can go where.
Hmm? I
Nice
didn't
job.
understand.
Oh, leaving those four piles there is perfect.
Yeah, no, the
Between.
last time was
Mhm.
team issue.
Ah.
I'm back,
Steam.
Mona, if you want
Go
to
grab my steams too late.
Okay, I'm off.
Remember I told you you don't want to know what happened?
Oh, yeah. I understood something else.
You have Steam for the net hold, Natalie?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
When we do the lap around, I'll grab all the stims I need.
Okay.
I just grabbed what
I
I
got
needed from the
boss.
vault.
Right?
Oh,
Yep. If that got you, hopefully.
Oh, flares.
only one more round. Just delay this once.
This is the double position mark.
Okay.
And be Venom or Bolt next. Bolt.
You need to throw a new flare. Straddle it.
And let's red buff.
I'm going to kill this one. Watch out. I need one more charge there, close wash.
I have to put another flare. It's gonna be.
Mm-hmm.
Flares. And flares.
No,
here.
just throw it in a new position.
Oh, it's strapped.
Oh, okay.
Because it's gonna die.
Flares.
Yeah, you were right. You good. Nicely. You have to straddle it again. I'm
Right, if you
running
have it.
recklessness.
I don't, I'm sorry.
Yeah, we put it in a new position.
6 charges, close to wash.
Okay. I'm gonna stop. Oh, it's gonna die.
Battery right there.
Do it fine. We're getting close to the lush.
Just for 15 seconds.
Okay.
The vault first.
Just gonna stay right here.
Yeah, I don't have
Do
a spirit.
you want it in
Sorry.
the middle?
Bolt.
Vault? Yeah, put it in the middle, please. And after the vault, it's gonna be acid blast. So.
Okay, in the new position.
Right if you have it.
Did you grab your steams?
I don't have any, so I need heals.
Oh, Valona, I'm picking up my
Not
flare.
yet, not yet.
Bloodlust is coming up, so I'm gonna be
Okay,
good.
go, go, go.
Okay,
I'm just gonna put the battery in, so do this.
He's at 4 stacks. He's not all out of stack, but I don't.
Yeah,
seem
I'm just
to
gonna
be
couple seconds. Couple seconds.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Yeah. I'll.
Contagion.
I'm running deflection, so I'm good. It's gonna be Deluge in 17. Acid Blast in 3. New position. And it's gonna be Deluge. Deluge.
Get ready to wash. 1, 2,
Wash.
Ultra. PCDs, DPS. 3, 4.
Oh, that Venom. Okay. Next, I need to cleanse on the next one. Give me, I did it! I did.
Oh, yeah, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. Listen. Oh, he heals!
Okay, don't die.
Give him up, give him up. What's up?
Cleanse me. Cleanse me.
Fuck, I'm so sorry.
Ah,
Soon.
Yes, I'm
Taking
sorry.
boss.
Oh, fuck, I
Taking
did.
boss. I'll have to play the second
Sorry,
delusion.
that was my fault.
Or not. Can somebody take from me though?
I'm taking it. Couple seconds. Coming in. I got him.
Okay.
Sorry,
I need to get ready to wash. It's not yet, but bulky.
Oh, well, these godsend at this moment of time.
Yep.
How are we? We need to pump though.
run.
Sorry, we
Is it
need to
close?
pump.
Okay.
I know we do.
Right. No, right now.
Is it
Oh.
close? How close?
We're on the line.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go over.
I'm
Fuck.
using the melee, I'm not sure why.
Oh, there are no puddles for the
Oh,
red venom.
Okay.
No, oh, no, look out.
3.
I got a full battery here.
On, is it dilution or?
no,
No, it's
three.
gonna be
No.
venom.
You're going to be pulled. Drop it.
I wanted to
Deluge.
drop it. I'm dropping it now.
Deluge.
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 This one's on
Washing.
Pret.
2. It's going to be ultra.
And
The last one.
dash out.
Ah!
They you get that? Right?
Ultra violence.
You must still.
Oh, I shouldn't have got up.
Right?
Oh, okay. I didn't get missiles, don't worry. It's fine.
You must still did happen. I dare you.
Mass.
No. Mouse is down.
Now.
Help-
Now.
help break.
Yep.
Red venom.
Click
Clear
venom.
venom.
Yep. Let's raid buff.
Please.
I don't have any more dice.
Alright, so DPS raise.
Just keep it up. Keep it up. Use TCs wisely.
And call if you need to swap ballsy.
Mass
Mass
target.
target.
Target lock. I'm
I
breaking
definitely
it.
could use a swap.
Okay, Brutal, come.
Okay, just be next to venom.
Oh, yeah.
Going to try. Kill
We might not beat Ultra.
Ultra, okay.
Ultra.
Stop DPS, I guess.
Yeah, we need to wait. Click venom.
Venom.
Mass is still not going.
Last ditch. Oh
Last
dear.
ditch. We're going.
I'm running out of my stims, so you need to take back stim and take back.
Oh, wow.
Coming in. I got him.
Keep going. Oh,
Just go. Just go.
I don't have any more.
I'm going to get ready. to
DPS more DPS.
yes, Mark, everybody.
take. I'm getting ready to take.
1. 200k.
It's dead. It's dead. Good job.
Oh, it's so hard.
Last pull, best pull.
Still in the proto.
Someone got a mount.
I sniffed already at it.
He dropped.
Good job, everybody.
It's table
Yesterday.
for now.
Yeah, we
I
got
got
it
it
yesterday.
Teams down there ASAP. Ground teams
William got it.
I'm breaking all colors.
Yeah.
Oh,
Congrats on the mount and
I
Whoever
like
got
all
it.
these ads because
Good job.
hopefully they're not bugged today. And they
I can pull out the battery and just grab them.
just blow up the battery.
Can I? Okay, let's go. Blow it up. Boom, 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 boom.
I want to wash.
okay, now we can.
Well done, guys.
oh, that mount looks so awesome. We just
What-
gotta kill this
what-
guy like 8
what-
more times.
What killed you at the end, Baluna? Was it triple steam or was just cleave? I didn't see.
Let me
Just
see. I don't know what killed me. I died all of a sudden.
Check- check the logs.
Did you get
It
clean?
was my stim. It was my stim.
Okay, triple steam.
I just want to
Wait.
let you guys know. This is
Mahar,
my
can you
first,
please
first
rest me?
mount.
Wait, hold on. Maybe I can battle res you in 20 seconds because I
I,
can't. I
What-
can't pick up
I
my
got
loot.
it. Oh, you just gotta.
Can you battle this?
You don't need to.
Mark,
just
you
need
already
to-
like pick up your loot. I think I saw you
Oh, yeah.
looting
I know,
already.
but it won't
I got him. I
let
got him.
me
I got him.
because
No, you.
I can't
Oh,
pick up.
I'm resting.
You oh thank you. You have like in abilities
Yeah.
and you can go to general and then you have revive. You can click on a frame and then revive.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's an ability. You don't need to right click.
Oh shit!
Oh, you wanna oh, we already took a picture, right?
He got his
Yes.
revenge.
Somebody murder me!
Do you
So
want to take
ads.
another picture before we go?